Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Lauren. Today's video I have a few goodies to show you from Neiman Marcus, one of which is a handbag, and I'm really excited. I'm always really excited when I show you a handbag because I feel like I'm pretty good at finding good deals. But this handbag in particular the brand has been blowing up all over my Instagram and my TikTok, like For You page. So I was really interested in the brand and I'm really excited. Well, I haven't even unboxed it, but I'm really excited to see it because I think it's gonna be a classic shape, and it is in that mid-range price point, so it's not gonna break the bank. And that's what I love even more, when I can find a good handbag at an affordable price that I know is gonna be a classic and last forever. That's when I get I'm really excited to show you it. So, like I said, I am working with Neiman Marcus on this video, and I partnered up with them, and I'm so grateful and so appreciative because I love the company itself. I did get my Coach Pillow Tabby, which I'll show you in a moment. My Coach Pillow Tabby 18 from them, and it was a very seamless, smooth process. Even though here in Canada we don't have any freestanding Neiman Marcus department stores, which is so unfortunate, shopping the website internationally is really easy. They partner up with Border Free, so Border Free is amazing because they include all the duties, all the customs, taxes, everything. So the price you see at the end is the price that you pay. So you're just not hit at the door with additional fees. So it's a really smooth, seamless process. One of the reasons why I love shopping the Neiman Marcus site is because they have everything from clothing to shoes and of course handbags, but they also have home goods as well as a lot of beauty items. And not only do they have some of the top luxury brands, such as Bottega Veneta, Valentino, Saint Laurent, Burberry, but they have a lot of the contemporary brands that I'm really into right now. So Jacquemus, Coach, By Far, Caperni, they just have such a wide variety. And then if you move over to the gourmet food, I am such a foodie, so I love that they have lots of different appetizers, side dishes, oils, condiments, different types of beverages. And then when you go to the beauty section, they always have a lot of really great gift sets, as well as gifts with purchases. And then you can't forget clothing, of course. So everything from denim brands like Citizen of Humanity that I love to this beautiful Zimmermann dress. They really have it all. Similar to the last time when I picked up this handbag from Neiman Marcus, this one shipped out really fast as well, smooth, seamless. I did have to speak to the customer service about one thing, and they were really receptive. I just did the online sort of live chat, and they really helped me out with it. But smooth sailing with this order as well. And one of the reasons why I like shopping Neiman Marcus is because they often have promos or they have sales. So they do have one that's going to be running from the 28th, which is today. I had to double check on my phone and make sure, which is the 28th to March 3rd. And you are gonna get different discounts if you spend a certain amount of money. So I'm just gonna pull it up here really quick. But if you spend $200, you can save $50 off. If you spend $400, you can save $100 off. And if you spend $1,000, you can save $275 off. It is on select regular price purchases, and you use the code FASHION, and I will leave all the information down below. I'll also put some overlay text right here so you can see the code, because I mean, these promos I feel like are always so good. And if you can save yourself some money, why not? I am the type of person that I will very rarely often buy something full price. I'm always gonna search for a promo code. I'm always gonna wait for a sale because this economy is hard. The inflation here in Vancouver, especially, everything is so expensive. So let's get to the unboxing. The box is there. This is what it came shipped like. It's just in some tissue paper. I haven't looked at this yet, so this is a true unboxing. I am really excited. Like I said, this handbag this brand has been trending all over my For You page. And I'm really leaning towards more minimalist handbags, I would say. I have a lot of monogram handbags. I tend to not use them as much anymore. I feel like maybe I'm outgrowing it, or is this just a phase, but it's just maybe too loud for me. And I feel like a good leather handbag with sort of no logo. So if you think about my recent purchases, I bought the By Far handbag and my Jill Sander handbag. Very minimal branding. I'm leaning towards that, and to leather pieces. So beautiful. So it is by the brand, I want to always say Staud or Staud. I want to say Staud, but I believe it is pronounced Staud. So I have seen this handbag brand everywhere. I just checked over the handbag and everything looks good, and she is beautiful. So like I was saying, this is called the Acute shoulder bag. They also make the Acute crossbody, and it does come in multiple different colors as well, but I want to go for this one, which is this beautiful cream color, just because we are going into the warmer months, and I feel like this tone, like even with the brown, ooh, it's perfect. So I'm really excited. So let me show you the actual details of this handbag. So it just has the flap there. Oh, this is packaged really well so that nothing would get damaged. So it just has a flap there, and then inside there is a dust bag and just a ton of extra paper in there and gel packs and everything. And so in the inside here, there is one single pocket on the front, which is a smaller one. I guess you could put credit cards or anything in there. And then there is also a zippered pocket on the back. The inside here, I believe, is suede, which is beautiful. This is a leather handbag, which is amazing. Like I said, I am veering towards more leather handbags. And then it has the two clasps there, the magnetic clasp. And then this was a selling point for me. It has a back pocket. I love this. So you can keep, for example, your phone in there for easy access. Typically, I will put my phone in my pocket, but just having it in the back here, it's perfect because then I can grab it easily. And you can also wear this with the flap showing, kind of like this, but you can also, on some of the models, they showed it so you could wear it with the branding there. And the branding is just in silver. I'll show you that really quickly. It just says Staud right there, which I like. It's very minimal. Again, if you don't want to show it, you can just wear it this way. And then this part is also nice too, so the strap goes down. It's not adjustable, but I like this sort of extra detail there instead of just ending like that. I think this brand has been showing up a lot because they do have a lot of sort of simple, minimal designs, which, like I said, I am going for. I was inspired by this girl on TikTok, and she had this shoulder bag that was very plain, and the way she styled it, it looked amazing, and it was by the row. And the row, we know, is up until, like, in Canadian dollars is like $3,000, and I couldn't do it. And then when I saw this one, I thought, that kind of looks like the row, but for a fraction of the price. So this one, I believe, I don't have, oh, my phone is in the back pocket, but I believe this one was 450 Canadian, which I think is an amazing price. And if you use the promo right now, you can save some extra money off this. I will say that on the Neiman Marcus site, this is now sold out, and I'm so sorry. I'm so sad to say that. They also have the black and the burgundy, but check the site, it might be back in stock, but when I checked it the other day, it was sold out. And that's crazy because when I bought it on the Thursday, there was no indication that there was low inventory. So it is just like selling out because it's just such a unique, beautiful handbag. And for the price point, I feel like it's really amazing. They do have the crossbody version still in stock. I was going between the crossbody and the shoulder bag. I just have so many crossbodies that I decided to go with the shoulder bag. And you can see it here. It's so beautiful. Even with this brown, is just perfect. And I feel like it will fit a ton. You can kind of see on me right there, but I feel like it will fit so much. I really just have my phone in front of me like this, but I also have some sunglasses I'm gonna show you. So like my big giant sunglass case fits inside. What else do I have? I have some sage spray, like that would probably even, yeah. So that even fits in. Like this bag is just gonna, and it just, nothing, no warping or anything. It's just so perfect. I'm so excited to use this. I feel like this is a brand that I'm now going to stock the site because, like I said, it's a leather handbag under the $500 price point Canadian, and it's gorgeous. So this is the first thing that I picked up, and obviously I'm always going to be the most excited to show you a handbag. I also want to show you these sunglasses because I picked these up from Neiman Marcus back in Black Friday. So I guess that was like end of November, but I received it, I think, beginning of December. So I picked these up. These are by Marc Jacobs. I have one other pair of designer sunglasses, which are by Balenciaga, and obviously I'm not really wearing those right now. So I needed a new pair, and these ones are amazing. So it came with this white hard case, but it also came with a soft case, and the soft case is nice because you can use it to clean. I probably should have cleaned this first. They look, oh, there's like some fingerprints and stuff, but I believe these are called the oversized square. I can't remember. I will put the name somewhere here, but they have them in black and then the tortoiseshell color, but I decided to go with the black, and I think these are amazing. I'm also going to show you something else that I use with them because I don't have a very large nose bridge, as you can see. So the glasses, they look like this, like perfect for when I don't want to wear any makeup and I want to look put together. They're large enough that I can do that. And I just love it because it has the gold detail. So on the side there, it just has 2 gold lines, and then the top is the cool part. If you can kind of see it there, it just says Marc Jacobs in black. So no one really sees the brand unless you kind of like bend down like that, then they'd be able to see like, oh, that's by Marc Jacobs. I forgot to show you the inside. So the inside has gold there, and then it just says Marc Jacobs. And then it also, I didn't see that it has makeup on it. It also has a little MJ on the end there. So I love these, but as you can see, they kind of slip down my nose because I don't have like a really prominent bridge. However, I picked these up from Amazon. I will link these two. These are just, it says the anti-slip nose pads by Set X. And so I put these on all of my sunglasses, any one that I need. And these just add like a little bit of extra grip. So I just put it on the inside there. And I swear to you, these sunglasses never fall off. They are clear. So it looks kind of like tan right now. That's just the paper backing underneath. But when you slip them on, they're clear, and because it's made of silicone, it just picks up your makeup. So I usually switch these out maybe like every couple of months. This is the first time I'm switching it out, just because it was gross. It was literally like covered in bronzer. So these are the sunglasses. I will link them down below. I think the black ones might be sold out now, and I feel like they only have the tortoise. They have quite a few of these different designs though, which I love. I love Marc Jacobs in general. So I've been a fan of Marc Jacobs since, I don't know, my first designer handbag was Marc Jacobs back in the day, but I just love how oversized these are. And the price point on these ones, I was able to get a pretty good deal, but these will fall under the promo as well. But I think in total I paid, it was like under $200 that I paid for these during the Black Friday sale. And I feel like for a lot of designer sunglasses, it can be pretty expensive. I know I had got a couple of Saint Laurent ones last year and I ended up returning them just because they were like $400, $500. And I mean, I'm not always the most careful with sunglasses. I tend to just like throw them in my car, and I tend to like to use this one as opposed to the hard case, just because the hard case is bulkier, whereas this one just fits into handbags a little bit easier. But yeah, this is the other recent piece that I picked up from Neiman Marcus. And then, like I mentioned before, I also have picked up my pillow tabby, which I love this one. It's just so cute, even with the brown. Like the brown and the purple look stunning together. I use this one quite a bit. I'm really excited. I picked this one up in the fall of last year, so I'm really excited to take this one out during the summer months because the purple is just such a fun pop of color. I love it. But I will also link this one down below. I don't know if this color is still in stock. I believe this one was called Lilac Ice or something like that, but she is also just so cute. But for now, I'm excited to use this one here. I feel like is very luxe, the style and the shape, but I also feel like it's a classic shape. Like I could use this for years to come, and I feel like the leather feels pretty nice, so I feel like it will last. I can definitely do an update video if you do want to see more about this handbag, sort of what fits in it, because like I said, I feel like this handbag can hold a ton in it. I also feel like it'd make a good travel bag because it has a magnetic pocket on the back. It's fairly secure here with those magnets on the front, and I feel like you could fit like passport and everything in there that you needed to. So I feel like this would also make like a really good travel bag. But I will link all the details down below. Again, go check out Neiman Marcus. They're having that amazing promo from February 28th to March 3rd, and you can save a certain amount of money depending on how much money you spend. Again, I will leave all the details down below. It is code FASHION. Go shop the sale, go save some money, and let me know what you think about this new handbag that I got, and my sunglasses, because right now this is a vibe. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going somewhere. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.